Hey people, welcome back. Thank you very much for coming back to watch another episode of the salad making. Thanks for getting me off the couch. It is a beautiful Sunday here in Johannesburg. It's kind of the end of summer, but it's still really, really nice. And it's been a very nice, relaxing day. So back to the salads though. We're gonna do a chicken avo tomato salad with some quinoa. I was able to find some really nice dried cranberry cheese, which I don't know if it's really nice. It looks really nice. We'll see what that is like. I've got a little chili from our garden. I'm gonna add in an egg or a boiled egg because we're trying to do a bit more protein in our diet. And yeah, we're gonna put it all together and then we're gonna eat it like you normally do with salads. So enjoy the ride.